Hello everyone. Today we shall see about scroller. This is scroller which I have added from the custom visuals in marketplace. Let us see how scroller works. Uh, I could select the scroller. In the category, you could see there are three major fields: category, measure absolute, and measure deviation. Suppose that I want to view the sales with respect to category or subcategory. I'll drag the subcategory to the category field. Okay, and with respect to measure absolute, you need some numerical data which has absolute values. So here I have the sales data. So when I bring the sales data to the measure absolute, you could see that my subcategories are are visible with respect to the total sales. So here you could see as I hover over the scroller, it will stop. If I hover over outside, then it will stop. You could decrease or increase the size of the scroller as you want. uh, and This is how scroller works. Suppose that with respect to measure deviation, you want to see profit and loss of this particular subcategory sales. I'll bring this profit to measure deviation. As soon as I bring the profit to it, you could see that for respective subcategory, you could see this is a profit, and similarly it will be scrolling for all the respective values in that subcategories. If there is a loss, it will show the red arrow representing that it is a loss. Here we have few formatting things available. This is all about scroller. Here we have few formatting things about scroller. We can set the auto size font. If you set the auto size font based upon the width, height of it, it will set the auto size, or you could turn it off. You could This is the status indicator which you see. If I don't want it, I could turn it off. You could see that my status indicator is not reflecting, but here I want my status indicator. You could if you want the status color indicator, you could that you could show the coloring. Otherwise you could turn off the coloring. If you turn off the coloring, it won't show any color over the status. I want coloring. Status text coloring, if you turn it on, it will show all the coloring in only one particular color, which is I don't want it to show like that, so I'll turn it off. You could increase or decrease the font size. I'm increasing the font size to maybe 30. Okay, and I'm increasing the scroll speed. Scroll speed is the speed with which this scrolls. Okay, you could I am increasing to 1.5 so that it could increase, like, scroll little faster. If you don't want all these things, and suppose that if you want to show your custom text scrolling. Suppose that I want to scroll the text like sales is drastically increasing this year. So this sentence, it will be scrolling over here. Okay, so this is how scroller works for the custom text. Okay, you could change the text color. Okay, and you could update the interval. So these are the few uh, settings for the scroller visual, and I hope you understood. And this is how scroller works. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.